Ooh. Hello friend, and welcome to day 11 of the 30-day no film school challenge. Today I am going to vlog my day and talk about what vlogging actually means. Now I know you're probably thinking, do I actually wake up looking this fabulous? Well yeah, pretty much. To be honest with you though, it isn't exactly morning now. I've already been awake for some time, but I do have to go to work right now, so let's go. So welcome to my workplace. It's very humble, just like myself, although I think by calling myself humble, I become less humble. Anyway, for those of you who don't know, I'm not a professional video maker. I don't make money from doing this. I make money from this. I teach English online, and actually I've got a class now, so I'll speak to you later. Okay, obviously I wasn't actually teaching then. I don't wear my whale unicorn shirt to work. I wear a red polo shirt. It's very nice. Now you may be wondering, if this is my classroom, where's my YouTube studio? Well, all we need to do is push this table around. Voila! Bring the stool over. Voila! And then bam! I've got a whole new YouTube studio going on. Can I just say, like, hello, could I be any more of a YouTuber right now? I've got like fake desk plants and a really cool spinning globe. Like, I pretty much nailed it. Also, if you're thinking, how is the light so fabulous? It's because I live in this loft and I've got like these awesome skylights. So yeah, I mean, this house is just made for like YouTube filming. Anyway, it's meant to be a vlog, so let's go for a walk outside in the cloudy north of England. Alright, so I'm just out in this sort of field nearby where I'm staying. I'm actually staying in like a kind of village somewhere near Leeds, and yeah, I don't really do much each day other than work and do a bit of this YouTube stuff, but I do try to go for a walk when I can. I've just moved here, so this is the first time that I am walking in this village, and I just found this place on Google Maps. So what exactly is vlogging? Well, from my understanding, it's essentially just documenting your day as you go about your day, but also not just like, oh, I'm having breakfast, I'm having lunch, I took a shower, I'm doing my homework or whatever. It's more about telling an actual story. So for example, on this vlog, I'm outside now for my daily walk, and I've told you a little bit about my routine, but I'm also actually providing some sort of story. I'm talking about vlogging and what that means. Now for today's challenge, I also am meant to pay attention to my video settings, my composition and so on. So right now I am using the rule of thirds, and I have some nice leading lines behind me. So hopefully that means something to someone. So I think vlogging shouldn't just be about documenting your day, but it should also be about telling a story about your day. Now, one thing that a lot of people are kind of uncomfortable with, including myself, is vlogging in public. So right now I am out in public, but as you can see, I'm just in an empty field. There's no one really here. And if people do come, I do kind of get a little bit nervous, but at the same time, it's 2020. Like, everyone has seen someone on YouTube. Everyone knows what a vlogger is. So you shouldn't really be bothered by other people. For me, I'm actually quite used to vlogging because I have a whole other channel based around travel vlogs in Indonesia, which is where I usually live, not this cold, cloudy England. But in those travel vlogs, I speak Indonesian. So if anything, that makes me even more uncomfortable when I'm in Indonesia, speaking Indonesian as my foreign language, and people look at me like, who's that crazy white girl speaking Indonesian talking to a camera by herself? At least I thought that's what would happen, but actually it didn't. It had the kind of opposite effect, and people, at least Indonesian people, were really impressed with my vlogging abilities and my ability to speak Indonesian. Just think about it really, like, what is the worst thing that could happen from vlogging? Someone might make a comment, but who cares? You're never going to see them again. They're probably a loser. And if someone tells you not to film in a certain place, then you just stop filming and put the camera down. It really doesn't matter. People just aren't that bothered about you. They're too busy wrapped up in their own lives to be bothered about someone talking to a camera. Also, another benefit of vlogging is that it kind of gets you to actually do something with your day, especially during these times during lockdown. If I wasn't making this vlog today, maybe I wouldn't have gone out for this walk and I would have just had a boring day. So that's essentially another benefit. So some tips I've learned along the way when I've been vlogging is that if you're doing something like this and walking, either try to be able to see what's behind you so you can see if anyone's going to come and run up on you or something like that, and also just try and have a look out around where you are walking so you don't go falling off the edge of a cliff or tripping over something, which I have done many times. So overall, just go out, vlog, document your day, but also have something to say, have a story to tell or something to show, a beginning, middle and end, just like any other sort of mini film. Alright, so I am back from my lovely walk in the Yorkshire countryside. I have lost some of my daylight because it's almost night time, but I just wanted to show you really quickly what I use to vlog on. I made another video where I briefly showed this, but this is my Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. So I just pop my phone in here and then I walk around and it stabilizes it and makes it super smooth. I also use my external microphone. I made another video about that, and I have this, I don't know what it's called, like a microphone clamp, and I've seen you can buy something else, like a cold shoe ring or something, to connect this to the gimbal, but I'm cheap, so I've just used an elastic hairband and attached it on there. It works perfectly fine. I don't need to spend £10 or £20 on a thingamajig to attach to this when I might change this and get a new one, so it just seems like this is an easy solution for me. I also have the infamous dead cat, which stops the wind noise when I'm speaking, and so I just walk around like this, looking a bit silly, but who cares? Nobody cares. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and maybe learn a thing or two about vlogging and just having confidence when you're out there. I'm not an expert though, I keep saying this, I am just a beginner, filmmaker, YouTuber, whatever you want to call it. So take my advice with a pinch of salt or with a roast dinner or whatever the saying is. If you do enjoy this video and especially this series and you want to keep learning and following my journey, then don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave a like, a comment, share it with your dog walker, whoever, your neighbour, I don't know. Everyone's bored in lockdown, so who knows who will watch this video. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!